The James River Association was founded in 1976. Ultimate goal is a fully healthy James River, a river that supports a healthy ecosystem, that provides clean drinking water to humans and supports recreational activities. Stormwater runoff is a significant source of pollution. And so here at North Avenue Branch Library, we have been planting a lot of trees in the neighborhoods with the goal of intercepting rainwater. What we typically will do when we're planning these events is engage with residents in the community and invite them to come out to the community tree planting event. We're not only talking about planting the trees, but we're talking about maintaining them, keeping them watered, especially during the hot, dry summer months. We're very grateful to both SageSure Insurance and the Arbor Day Foundation. Without them, again, this project would not happen.